That worked.
Eat.
Tarp.
We could have fixed
Nice.
Now we're doing some damage.
There we go.
Wow.
Wait, don't break that one.
You're gonna hog them all?
Remaking that movie. Walking Tall.
Yeah, something.
Wait, do we have to clean this up?
Hey, this ball didn't break. Yeah, man.
That one's the smell.
Shield.
Just
Shield.
push. No, you don't smash. Just push. Push. Like lay it on the window and just push.
Oh, that would have been so much safer.
Oh, don't get me started.
I don't know if it's because of the whole
Oh, let's see if we can knock the
And I
door
was like,
off.
yes, and thanks anyway.
I'm gonna thread.
And I was like, that's not even close to what we can afford. He was like that. And if I started off, I'm like, yeah, but it's not even close. And he was like, well,
Almost.
well,
Oh yeah.
that's just the beginning. And I was like, no, John,
Oh, you got my
we're
phone?
not even near that. And he was like, no, give me
gave
enough. And I was like, all right, but it's going to
Yeah,
be like...
that's a secure trunk, man.
Right?
I
want to see all the
Lock.
stuff that's gonna come pouring out of
was
it.
like, all right. 3.25. Sets at like 1.4.
Anyone else?
I have no idea. I'm getting hot. I'm going to give him a number, but...
Oh!
It's already brand new spare tire.
loosen it up for you.
Look, anybody want a spare tire?
Don't say you loosened it.
I did lose
Hey,
it.
there's like anything fun in there?
There's a tire.
Anybody?
Yeah, I'll do that
Wait, wait, no.
I'll do that one. You're not going to break that door off. No, there's no way. You're going to break your arm off.
That's fine.
Pop the tire.